Hello, all the students of Standard 2. Good morning. I hope you all are well in this pandemic coronavirus. Please stay home, stay safe. Spend your quality time with your family member. You can give your quality time in your study also. Eat healthy food. Play some indoor games. I hope whatever homework I am giving you in maths and science, you are doing it on time. Because whenever school is going to open, I am going to ask all the homework which I am giving to. So please be sincere and do your all homework in your copy. Okay, so today I am going to teach you science chapter 8. Chapter 7 is done. Chapter 8 is things around us. Okay, things around means us means around us. Water, air is there. Living things and non-living things is there. All living things are there. All non-living things are. Whatever see around us, that all are in the form of living things and non-living things. Okay. If I see around me food is there, wall is there, tree is there, so all are in the form of living and non-living thing. So the thing around us may be living or non-living. Living things need food and they move, grow, feel, breathe and have babies of their own kind. Non-living things that cannot do this thing. So number one, I am tall and B, I have a thick trunk and I am covered with leaves. What am I? Okay, I am tall and B, thick trunk and covered with leaves. So what am I? So I am a tree, long and big, thick trunk. Second, I have wings and I can fly. I have 2 feet and a beak. What am I? I have wings also. I can fly also. I have 2 legs also and beak also. What am I? So I am a bird. Number 3. I have 4 wheels. You drive me on road. What am I? I have 4 wheels and you drive me. So what am I? I am a car. So things around us can be natural or man-made also. See, things around us can be natural also. It can be man-made also and it can be natural also. Natural means it can be living, okay, and natural non-living things. Natural living things will be there and natural non-living things there. And man-made means which are made by man. Okay. So now we come to page number 86. Natural things. Natural things. So things that are found in nature and are not made by man are called natural living things. Called natural things. Things that are found in nature and are not made by man. There are many things which are not by man. Like if you will see tree, and this is not made by man. If you will see any animals, so that are also not made by man. But if I will see this board, this wall, it is all made by man. So the things that are things that are found in nature, okay, which is already exist in nature, okay, exist in nature and are not made by man, not made by man are called natural things. Okay, that are called natural things. Now, natural things can either be living also and non-living also. Like if you will see tree, so tree is natural non-living things. Okay, but if you will see, sorry, not tree and plant, that is natural living things. Tree and plants that are natural living things. But if you will see water, rocks, air, sun, that are natural non-living things. But plants are natural living things. Okay, so natural things. So natural natural things can be living or non-living. Okay, so first we will see natural living things, then we will see natural non-living things. Okay, so now come first natural things. Okay, this is divided into two parts. That is, one is natural living things. Okay, one is natural non-living things. What are natural things? I already told you. Found in nature and are not made by man. So that are natural living things found in nature and are not made by man. So natural things can be two types. One is natural living things, one is natural non-living things. So natural living things, they move. Okay, they move, grow, and reproduce. And reproduce. Okay, natural living things that are found in nature, natural non-living things that are found in nature. Okay, found in nature and are not made by man. Non-living things that are found in nature and are not made by man are called natural living things. Natural living things, they move, grow, and produce. Like plants, examples are plants, animals, human beings. Okay, are all natural living things. But in non-living things that are found in nature and are not made by man are called natural. Examples are like rocks, air, water, and the sun. They all are natural non-living things. Okay, in natural living things, plants, animals, and human beings are there. In natural non-living things, rocks, air, water, and the sun are there. Okay, students. So now I will finish. So now it is man-made things. Okay, man-made things. Okay, which I will continue in lecture number 2.